Lihle again. Now in this season we're looking into more of the electrical components of the car, and today we're diving into how it actually takes a bit more to starting your car than just turning the key in the ignition, and that is the starter motor. Now to help us dive into this component a bit more, I have a seasoned mechanic with me by the name of Charles, and he's here to clear things up. How are you today, Charles?
Hi Lihle, I'm fine, thanks.
So we'll start right at the basics. What is the starter motor?
So the starter motor is an electrical component that is responsible to get the engine running, start the vehicle, and can obviously get you driving.
Yeah.
We have a starter here, which
we take a good look at that. Yeah.
So right here we have a basic starter. It consists out of a couple of parts. There's an electric motor, a solenoid, NX drive, and a drive gear.
What are some of the signs, and I'm thinking the most obvious one, that would tell me that the starter motor isn't working is that my car would not start?
Yes.
Are there any other signs I can look out for?
Okay. So a couple of signs would be if you turn the key and nothing happens. It can be obviously starter motor. That can also be a defective battery or discharged battery.
Okay.
If you turn the key and you have a rapid knocking noise from the front or ticking noise from the front, that is a defective battery. If you just have a click when you turn the key, that could mean that it's either a faulty solenoid, faulty NX drive, or even electrical motor.
Is there maybe a simpler way we can find out what component is at fault?
Okay, so simplest way would be a voltage drop on the vehicle, which we can quickly check. With the bonnet open now, we could quickly get the multimeter and assess a voltage drop. Okay, so vehicle switch on, you should
It's
have
definitely dropping, yeah.
12.2 somewhere.
We're sitting at 12.17,
That's
12.16.
perfectly fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle.
Okay. Oh my. So what was interesting that I saw is that as soon as we started the car, we saw a huge drop down to that 10.8 region that we wanted. How do I maintain my starter motor?
A couple of stuff that you can look at is battery maintenance, or just keeping your battery in a healthy state, looking after the battery, having it checked regularly, battery terminals and battery cables itself.
So what I'm hearing is a healthy battery means a healthy starter motor.
In such a case, yeah.
And then if we don't keep it healthy, what are the costs that we're looking at?
Estimate would be anything from 1,850 for a brief repair or a quick repair to 8,500, 9,000 rand for a replacement.
To avoid such, huge costs, can anyone, look after their starter motor themselves, or is it recommended that we have another mechanic there?
The recommendation would be use a mechanic or use a qualified person to replace the starter, as it is a difficult thing to change.
Yeah.
It is quite deep inside the engine compartment yet.
Where exactly would you say it is in this
On this vehicle, it's underneath the intake manifold, right behind the engine.
Goodness, so that is quite deep. Thank you so much, Charles, for all the tips on how to get a head start on taking care of my starter motor.
It's a pleasure, Lihle.
All it comes down to take care of your starter is, of course, regular maintenance for your vehicle so that you can keep that ignition turning on to keep you driving.